Now, a very nice evening. Forever you're watching me or you're listening to me. My name is Fanvi Kwanami, and I have a community called the Street of Forex Trading. We together. So, by saying a community, I mean is a group of traders who are into contact together to form something good. You know, it's not all about trading. It's all about having something big. Apart from trading and getting the blues and withdrawing the dollars, what else can you do as a trader? It's not all about withdrawing dollars, living your life, living Poshi life, showing us your life on the social media platform. What else can you show us that you're a trader? And that's why we are coming up with big thing called this Street of Forex Trading Community. So this entails a group of traders who are like-minded. I think you're getting my point. Now, this thing came out this year on 2024, April. I formed this WhatsApp group and I started teaching people on August this year, and it has been a good journey, and I think we are doing well. So currently I have almost 14. I was just looking for only 25 traders, so at least let me say 25. It will be plus or minus 5. You're getting my point. Now, so my question is the first time you've heard the word Forex trading? From wherever you're watching in different part of the world, yeah. What comes in your mind? Whatever comes in your mind is about money, a lot of money. But do you know the process of getting that money? The answer is no, or the answer is yes, according to you. So people, how were you introduced into trading? Was it the social media thing? Was it a friend? Or who was he? Now, after he introducing you, what was the next step? And that's why I normally advise my students and advise people that trading is not a game of coming and making money as you think so. So if you're coming here to make money and live, then you are not on the right track. Are we together? Trading is all about discipline, composing yourself, living your life, and living the standard that you wanna wish to live in future. Are we together? Now, you have heard of trading today. What are the key elements that you need to start knowing for you to not stagger or to backslide or to quit in trading or to avoid the scammers or to avoid negative things in your way into success? First of all, as a trader, take this in mind that trading is not a game of getting rich quick scheme. Number 2, trading is all about time, money, and emotions. So you need to invest your time, money, and emotions. That's what I can tell you about trading for a starter. So this is the year 2024. It's ending in style, and by the way, it's a nice evening to say that tomorrow is my birthday. I'm turning 25 years old. Anyway, so are you saying congratulations or instead of saying happy birthday? Now, let me say this. After identifying yourself that you want to do trading, then I've given 2 points. So that point, the first point was it's not a get quick rich scheme. It's not a get quick rich scheme. Number two, you need to invest. I think I can change the font. I think you wanna just do some I think I can change the font to 14, font 14, I think so. I think this word of mine has a lot of errors and all the stuffs, but it's okay. I think you're seeing it's quite visible. So number two, it's invest your time, money, and emotions. These are beginners, the beginner who want to start trading. What you need to know. Number three, have a side hustle. Have a side hustle. Number four, don't tell anyone that you're doing forex trading. What am I writing? That is the best thing. This four is the best thing that you need to do as a fresh mindset of a trader that you just want to do trading. Don't tell anyone that you're doing trading, because if you tell someone that you're doing forex trading, he or she will ask you, how much have you made? And maybe you're a beginner. How much have you lost? After identifying this, next, what are you going to do now again? After you've done this, you are good with that now. Now into trading. What do you need to learn? Now, the content in trading. Number one. Now, this is the content that you need to learn. That you need to learn as a trader. I don't know if you're getting my point. This one is any random person on the street, just picking a street. Tell him trading is not a get quick rich scheme. You need to invest your time, money, and emotions. Then have a side hustle. Then don't tell anyone that you're doing forex. Are we together? Then number two, after knowing this, the second point, what are you willing to know now? Number one, the concept of trading. The general concept of trading, we have the forex itself, identifying which category am I into. We have the Bitcoin, futures, synthetic, currency. We have a lot of them. So, which are you? We have the binary. Which are you? Then select. We can say select which trading stuff are you best in? Best at, I think so. Then after knowing that, identify the broker of your best. And saying that, I mean identifying which broker is best to you. So by that time, I mean opening an account with the best broker. Number three now, identifying the content. Identifying the content that you need to learn. As a beginner. So here at the content is where now a lot of people get lost. Are we together? Here at the content is where a lot of people get lost. Here is where now people will come to you, tell you, give me this amount, I teach you. Give me this thing, I tell you. Give me this, I sell to you, robot. Give me this thing, I do for you this. Give me this thing, I sell for you, an indicator. This is where now people get wrong, and here is where people they quit from this place. Are we together? Now, after identifying the content, so what are the contents that you need to learn as a trader? Number one, as a trader, what you need to learn? Number one, identifying the trend of the market. Are we together? Number two, this is number one. Nobody will teach you these things that I'm teaching you, so it's better for you to understand and make some analysis on your own and do what is necessary for you. Market structure. Number three, liquidity concepts. Number four, internal and external range concepts. We can call it the PD arrays. PD arrays. You can call them that like so. Number five, know how to use the MetaTrader 5. So my students, if you know all of these things, you are lucky. MetaTrader 5. Number 6, we talk of risk management and psychology in the market. You know, I've bent, so now typing is a quite problem on my side. So after identifying that risk management and psychology in the market, then number 7, identify your short terms and long terms goals in life. So after knowing that, number 8, I think this is the general thing that you need to understand as a trader. Nothing is outside here and nothing I've left outside what I've told you. This is according to me. This, what I've just explained to you, it's according to me. I've simplified everything and it's here. So if you master all the stuff that are here, you'll be done in trading. That's the simple way. So under the internal and external range concepts is where now you can find the order block, the breaker block, mitigation, those stuffs, rejection, and all the stuffs. So after identifying this stuff, nobody will cheat you. Everything is here. So after knowing this stuff, then you'll be good to go. This is a beginner's playbook. Use this to elevate your trading skills in life. Are we together? I've highlighted for you this. So nobody should come and cheat you that, oh, come for a class, pay this. No, the person should be taking you through this, all the stuffs here. Are we together? So I think we have done a screenshot of this, and yeah, everything is there. So the first point was for any random person who needs to join trading. Any random person, you can pick your grandmother, your kid, any person. He or she should know that this is not a get quick rich scheme. It can take you 5 years. Tell them you need to invest your time, money, and knowledge. That is emotions here. Have a side hustle. Don't depend on trading alone. So for example, if you are working and being paid 30,000 per month, that means you need to be, if you are a trader, you want to quit your job, you should be making 30,000 per day. Are we together? That's almost around 80 times 3 to $50. Yeah, to $50 per day. Then don't tell anyone that you are trading forex. You unafanya trading. Don't tell anyone. Then after identifying I'm set for that, then identify which stuff are you best at. Are you best at binary, synthetic, currency? Are you best at which place? Bitcoin, futures, those stuffs. After identifying that, then look for your best broker. Then identify the content that you need to learn as a beginner. And I've given you the content are here. Market structure, the trend, liquidity concept, internal range concept, know how to use MT5, risk management, and psychology in the market. Then identify your short-term goals and the long-term goals in life. Then start enjoying life as a trader. You can walk all over the world. Are we together? That's the best way I can tell you for a beginner. Any question from there? Any question? Any question? Is now let me go to the intermediary trader. Intermediary trader has passed all of this stuff. Now the problem is trying to gamble. I don't know, he or she is not able to identify when will I make, when will I be profitable in the market? When will I make, when will I drive a jelly? When will I able to have a mansion for my my mother or my brother, my cousin? Now there is where you draw the line. So it depends on which school of thought that like which school did you go? You understanding? Are we together? It's quite tricky. I don't know why are you leaving and just coming in the meeting just like that. But anyway, so what I've told you is the best thing that can help you to change your life as a trader. Nothing more about that. I've given you the context and everything. So after identifying that, now you want to do it practically now. Now you are an intermediary trader. Do your analysis on the daily time frame. You identify your trend, or what you call the bias, the daily and the weekly. Then H4 and H1 is where now you do your analysis. Then your entry should be at M15. By saying M15, I mean minute 15. I'm giving a how can I say? I'm explaining to an intermediary trader. So identify the trend on the daily and the weekly. Then come to H1. Avoid identifying trend on H1. Use daily to give you a trend. After knowing that, come now to H4 and H1 to give you a execution, the analysis. After knowing that, come to M15 and enter using your entry confirmations in the market and make money. Are we together? Trading, hakuna mtu mwenye ako right in the market, but the issue is, do you believe in yourself? Do you believe on what you are doing? Are we together? Like today, I gave this setup on V51 as I told you to sell this thing. I think it is doing very well. It has sold since Sunday. Yeah, since Sunday. It has been doing a lot good. And look at V75. I shared in the morning that you are in the group. I told you sell V75 today. Look the way it has done. Massive sell. But you guys, don't doubt yourself. Then another thing that I've told you, don't fund your account if you don't know even to place a trade on a demo account. So this trade might come back, but retraced up to this fair value gap. I think it has retraced, by the way. It has retraced. It has retraced. It has retraced. I think it should retrace to cover this fair value gap and it starts selling. But anyway, it's okay. So today I'm not analyzing any trade. So if you have any analysis, maybe in the morning, I normally analyze trade in the morning at around 3 a.m. to 4 5 there. So in the market, the first thing you see, open your chart, you identify the trend. The trend is identified on the daily and the weekly time frame. Then come to H4 or H1. It will give you the alignment. That means if the daily is buying, 4 hours should be buying, 1 hour should be buying. Then you go to M15, look for buys. Are we together? That's how trading is done. So any question from there? Any question? Any question? But you guys, I think you should be asking some question, or you are okay?
Yes. No. No. Please repeat that part of the minute 15, the H1, H4, and the daily, the weekly, how we are supposed to enter the market.
Okay, I'm saying this, and you know, I hate like someone is in the meeting, leaving, coming, leaving, coming. Dude, why don't you look for stable Wi-Fi? I'm saying this, as a trader, you need to identify your trend. Your trend, for example, I come from Western. If I want to go home, what will be my first direction to go home? Well, currently I'm at Riru. In Riru, I live in Riru. So, if I want to go home, Western, will I go Mount Kenya Nyeri? I'll go to my direction. That is, I can use country bus. Country bus. Have my Kenya Mpya. No. It's called Climax. Climax Western. So that means I find the direction to where? Western. So that what I'm trying to mean is at the daily and the weekly, it will give you the correct analysis of how the market will move. It will give you the correct analysis. So on the daily and the weekly, you will consider your trend or your bias. Now, at H1 or H4, you will consider now the analysis. Is where now you can say, here there is a break of structure, there is market G structural shift, change of character, there is fair value gap, there is liquidity, there is demand and supply, there is resistance. Those stuffs now are being discussed there. After being discussed there now, You come to M15 when it has met your setup from the daily to H1 to H4 to M15. So if this guy is moving south, towards south, let it be south. Don't go to southeast, southwest, south north. I don't know those stuffs. Don't change your analogy. Don't change your story. Don't change your narrative. Whatever daily has told you, if daily has not given you any direction, no trading. Are we together? No trading. And in the morning I told you guys sell V75. Are you broke? Guys, are you broke? If yes, you're the problem. You are the problem. And I told you don't fund your account if you don't know what you're doing on the market. Don't be that person who is greedy, jealousy, not jealousy. In fact, jealousy, yeah, jealousy. Because you're seeing someone is making money, now you want to make money. Trading, I'm sure every person is above 18 years old. I'm sure. Trading has been there since 1970s. Where were you 2021? Now that you've just come here, trading has been there. Trading has just come with a wave in Kenya in 2022. Now you want to start taking all your investment and placing there. How stupid are you? The first thing as a person, you need to identify and know what am I learning and what am I doing. Don't be a person who normally just press M-Pesa pin. Send, send, send. At the end of the day, I've been scammed. I've lost my amount in trading. Who told you to press to set your M-Pesa pin? To enter your M-Pesa pin? Was I? Is your brother did your brother tell you that you press your M-Pesa pin? No. It's all about you, that you did your foolish stuff. You never did a research on that. I hope you're together. You know, as for me, I normally speak. You wanna think that I'm bullying you? I'm talking nonsense. But at the end of the day, after you being conversant with the trading, you'll one day come to look for me. I swear before the living God, you'll one day come and look for me wherever I will be. You will say that I did and I said the best thing for you as a trader. I won't come and tell you that Nyokabi, you will make it today. Who told you that? You can make it maybe Ruto, if Ruto, like after Ruto has done another election 2027. We don't know. So that's the truth of the matter. So you need to learn. And I've given you the context. So go outside there, do your own research. Go outside there, do your own research. We have YouTube, we have Google, we have people, we have mentors, we have a lot of people. Go outside there, do your own research, then make your own money. Are we together? Are we together? So any question? I'm done with my teaching today. I've given you the best thing that you wanna learn. I've given you the context, the notes, you have taken screenshots. So any question that you normally ask yourself, will I ever know trading? Any question now. It's upon you to ask some questions and I can answer you one by one. Or what do you wish? Or what do you want me to do for you? Pick up. Why can't you speak, guys? Oh, you okay? I was told that I normally exhaust everything to an extent that nobody can ask any question. I don't know what's the problem with me. I was told so.
So when a guy has a problem, he can approach you DM if there is any problem in understanding. Mostly the strategy part.
Just in the WhatsApp group. If you want maybe anything is where now, you come to my inbox. Or if you can't answer, you just call me. And I'm not saying I'm perfect, eh? The difference between me and you is time. The issue is maybe I started earlier than you, or you started late or earlier than me, but you were during the journey you went astray. Is when now you are becoming serious. So that's what I can tell you. Nobody was born knowing trading. Even I was not knowing what are these things that they're looking like sugar cane. You know, I'm coming from Western. I come from Western. So what are these things that look like small sugar cane? So I was, and at the end of the day, you keep on learning and understanding what the market is telling, and you make money. So that's what I have for you for now. So you don't have any question? Anyway, it's okay. So if you thought that trading will just come here and make money, as you thought before, then now you got the answer that you are wrong. Are we together? Then trading needs patience. Imagine holding a trade for 2 days. You are sleeping, having supper, trading is just running. Then don't come here with the $20, $30, $40 that you want to make money in trading. Those try in your demo accounts. But the real account have at least $100. Then it wanna be working for you. If you are an intermediary trader, you know what you are doing. Don't fund your account with 20, 40, 30. It's sensible, but probability of raising that amount to even it is not sensible for you. So I think we are together. Feeling sleepy? Guys, any question?